Okay, so sorry if this week feels like a bit of a rant, kind of is, not sure. But the one thing that I hate to hear, and it's always the asset class that you hear this about, but property never goes down, or property in a certain area is never going to go down. It just keeps going up and up and up. It's just not right. Anything that has the ability to move up and down in value, property, shares, at some point is going down. Now, I mean, with shares, it's easy to see when this happens because they're valued at all times of the day between 10 and 4, Monday to Friday. So you can see the ups and the downs. Happens with properties too, but there's no giant sign above the house saying what it's worth on that day. But you can bet your bottom dollar at some points it's going backwards. Or if you are in a really good, strong area, it's always going up until it doesn't. I mean, maybe it hasn't yet. And that's okay, because that's what you expect from a growth asset. But you can't be suckered into thinking that property or a good quality investment will never go down in value, because it's just not always the case. But that does lead to one of the most important principles with investing: diversification. I could find 10 property investments, great property investments, that on the surface of it look like they're all going to be amazing investments. And generally, it pans out that most of them are. But not every single one is going to be a winner. That's why you don't put all your eggs in one basket. And as long as you've got more winners than losers, then you're really happy at the end of the day. But the problem is, what if you saw one and you thought, I was going to put all my money into that one, but it's not the right one. It's one of the ones that goes down, one of the 2 or 3 out of 10 that doesn't perform the way you want it to. Then you're in real trouble. So if you find investment, you really like the look of it, great, invest in it, but don't put all your eggs in one basket, because it just doesn't work. At some point, you get found out. So once again, when people say, this just keeps going up or property keeps going up, take it with a grain of salt and realize that not everything always continues to act the way it has in the past. And just because there's no giant glowing sign in your face saying what something's worth, doesn't mean that it's automatically continuing to go up.